Since the implementation of the Hong Kong National Security Law, NSL, the legal landscape regarding digital privacy and police search powers has undergone a significant transformation. The primary concern revolves around Article 43 and its implementation rules, which grant authorities expanded reach into personal electronic data. 1. Expanded search and seizure powers. Under the new framework, the Hong Kong Police Force, specifically the National Security Department, possesses enhanced authority to access electronic devices. Warrantless searches. In exceptional circumstances where a delay could jeopardize an investigation, high-ranking officers can authorize the search of electronic devices without a court-issued warrant. Cloud data access. Authorities can require internet service providers or individuals to remove or provide access to data stored on digital platforms if it is deemed a threat to national security. 2. Compelled cooperation and passwords. One of the most controversial aspects is the ability of the police to demand decryption keys, or passwords. Mandatory disclosure. If a person is suspected of possessing information relevant to a national security case, they can be legally ordered to provide their device passwords or biometric access. Penalties for refusal. Unlike traditional common law, where a right to silence often applies, refusing to cooperate with these specific notices is a criminal offense. Non-compliance can lead to fines of up to 100,000 Hong Kong dollars, imprisonment for up to 1 year. 3. The core conflict. Security versus personal rights. These measures have sparked intense debate regarding fundamental civil liberties. Violation of privacy. Because smartphones serve as digital diaries, critics argue that forced access is a disproportionate intrusion into private life. Self-incrimination. Compelling a password forces an individual to provide the very evidence that may be used against them, potentially undermining the legal principle of the privilege against self-incrimination. Judicial oversight. The shift toward executive-led authorizations, police-approved rather than court-approved, is seen by many as a weakening of the checks and balances that protect individual rights. 4. The government's position. The Hong Kong government maintains that these powers are necessary and proportionate. They argue that in the digital age, national security threats, such as foreign interference or the coordination of illicit activities, are hidden behind encryption. Therefore, they view these tools as essential for maintaining public order and state safety.